Find or read reviews that people are talking about YIMU K5001 HD car backup camera, with monitor 5-inch. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Quick install. Set up your YIMU car backup camera for cars in just 10 minutes with a simple 2-step process. First, connect the camera and monitor using the provided 4-pin video power cable, which is made of 3 mm pure copper. Second, plug the backup camera system into a cigarette lighter or USB port, not included, for instant use, or link it to the reversing lights for use as a dedicated reversing camera. Flexible double bracket installation. The YIMU backup camera for car includes 2 brackets for easy mounting. Install the reverse camera on your license plate frame, or attach it to the front or side of your vehicle. The license plate camera bracket comes pre-installed, and a small additional bracket is provided for alternative mounting options. Choose the setup that works best for you. Note, this is one camera with 2 installation method, not 2 cameras, and it cannot support recording. Reliable signal. YIMU wired backup camera kit boasts superior signal stability when compared to wireless options. Backup camera for trucks is designed to minimize energy loss during transmission, ensuring no signal delays, interferences, or fluctuations. 5-inch backup camera for car guarantees real-time data transmission, delivering crystal clear HD color images consistently, for a safer driving experience. Versatile features. YIMU backup camera systems for truck is incredibly versatile, allowing you to adjust the parking grid lines width and move them left, right, up, or down to suit your parking needs. If you prefer, you can turn these lines off completely. The backup camera with monitor also lets you tweak brightness, contrast, and even flip the image. HD image and wide angle. Vehicle backup cameras equipped with the latest HD 1/3-inch image sensor and a 150 degrees wide viewing angle lens are great for clearly checking those hard-to-see blind spots. Making parking safer and simpler. Wide adaptability. YIMU backup camera for truck compatible with most vehicles, including cars, trucks, trailers, RVs, vans, SUVs, and campers. This system effectively eliminates blind spots for safer driving. Front/rear switchable. You can use rear view mirror camera as a rear view backup camera or a front/side camera, with a green wire on the camera for control. Note, by default, this is a reverse mirror camera with distance scale lines. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.